Today we have Michael Bannister joining us, owner of Joint Regeneration Group. Thank you so much for being here today.
It's great to be here.
I'm glad to have you here because we're talking about the 41 NBC Health and Wellness Expo. It's happening this weekend, June 7th from 10 to 3 in Houston County at the Houston County Galleria. And so I want to know more. Tell us about the history of Joint Regeneration Health and Wellness here in Middle Georgia.
Absolutely. Come August the 21st, it'll be our 4-year anniversary. We've been here 4 years, and we've seen over 4,000 patients since then.
That's
and
incredible.
does a tremendous job. We got our start in Griffin, and we decided to expand and to a larger area. I'm a veteran, and we like to be around Warner Robins and the veterans there. So 4 years.
That's
pretty cool.
A long time.
It is.
And it really is incredible hearing 4 years, nearly 4,000 people. What kind of procedures do you perform to address pain in the knee area and other areas of the body?
Absolutely. The main thing that we do is a procedure called viscosupplementation.
Okay.
That's where we insert a gel, a very lubricating padded gel into the meniscus that holds the cartilage. So it acts like cartilage itself. So we do these injections very, very easily. So it's, we don't do cortisone. Sometimes that can be very painful. It's very, very easy. Sometimes folks don't even feel it. So that's the main thing that we do. We've been doing that for 4 years and achieved great results. The second thing that we do that makes it even better is called platelet-rich plasma. That's where we take a tube of your blood, we spin it down into centrifuge, we draw off the platelets, and we inject those back in your knee. I mean, it's almost like holistic. It's your own platelets mending your knee, inside your knee. And then finally, the last thing that we do, we brought this on last February a year ago. It's called a deep tissue class 4 laser. Okay. Now we can address all other types of pain. We're talking tendonitis, plantar fasciitis, carpal tunnel, neuropathy, and then we can get into joints as well. Interesting to note, every single NFL football team has one of these. So we can get into athletic injuries. Pickleball's big in Macon, and we get folks with tendonitis, they want to get back out on the court,
Right.
So,
wow, and so it is incredible to see what you're doing. Now, when we're talking about this, what kind of results do you typically achieve? What are you seeing from patients coming to you guys?
And that's the biggest thing. We have people that come in extreme pain, and then after they get through this procedure, the vast majority are smiling and happy, and they can get back to their normal life. We achieve probably over 70% success rate. Even if you're bone on bone, doesn't mean you have to have a knee replacement. Well over 60% of our patients have bone on bone, and we're able to help them. So that's not the end all. What I tell people is you have an obligation to yourself to do everything you can do to prevent surgery.
That is incredible, and those numbers are really staggering. Now, what advice would you give to folks who are experiencing pain right now and who are looking for some sort of relief?
Well, I recommend that they come in for a consultation. But right now, if we do weight loss as well that I didn't mention. We do the GLP-1 semaglutide injections, and we're the most economical in Middle Georgia. So if you need some help with the weight loss, we can help with that. That's one of the big things, because for every pound that you're over your weight, over your ideal weight, it's like 4 on your knee, which is significant. So if you want to start getting better right away, try to lose some weight. But the consultation and what we do really does help out a lot.
So really, if anyone's having any of that pain, head on over to them. I do want to say, what are the next steps? What do people need to be doing?
Well, right now, you can go on our website, the Facebook page, or call us and schedule a consultation. We also take insurance. Almost every single major insurance covers the knee procedure. That's a big thing now. With a lot of folks we see are on fixed incomes, so that's very important. But give us a call and get in for a consultation. We can get in as early as this week.
That is incredible. Michael, lastly, I can see you are passionate about this. Yeah. You have such joy when you talk about helping and serving others. I have to ask, why does this mean so much to you?
Well, just like what you said, I see people come in miserable, and they leave happy. It's unbelievably joyous to see that. I mean, it's become our soul. If you come to our practice, It's upbeat. We don't rush people through. It's just a joy. It really is.
It is incredible. And you can see this joy radiating from you. Now, if you'd like to learn more or meet Michael, head on over to that 41 NBC Wellness and Senior Expo. The incredible thing is we have Michael here. He is a sponsor. We are so thankful for what he's done for 41 NBC. And of course, head on over to the expo. Again, it's going to be June 7th from 10 to 3. All the details will be on our website, 41nbc.com.